Hi guys, hope you are fine. Today I will discuss another topic that was launched by MyGov, and the campaign name is Rashtriya Ekta Place, and the place on Rashtriya Ekta Diwas, a National Unity Day, on foster and reinforce our dedication to preserve and strengthen unity, integrity and security of our nation on the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So before start download the certificate, you need to take place. You need to enter your name, then you can choose any of them, either PAN card, passport, voter ID or others. I just simply enter my PAN card, enter your DOB, enter your area pin code, after entering the pin code you can see automatically state and the district automatically fill up. You just enter your email ID and active phone number. Then you can proceed for language selection. Gender is required. Sorry, I forgot to enter. Let's see, choose any of the language as per your preference. I have received the OTP from MyGov. So this is a place I solemnly place that I dedicated myself to preserve the unity, integrity and security of the nation. I also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this place in spirit of unification of my country, and which was made possibly by the vision and action Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolved to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. So this is a place. Now enter your OTP that you have received on your mobile number. Then submit. So this is a certificate and it's really looking good, and you can send this certificate to your mobile, or you can send your certificate to your email, or even you can print or share with Facebook or Twitter. I just simply download. See, this is a beautiful looking certificate and Rashtriya Ekta Diwas place, and the resolution is not bad. It's 720 to 989. You can easily print out this pledge certificate, and hope you like this video. And if you're facing any kind of issues to download this certificate, please share your feedback on below comment box, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.